Good morning, good day, good afternoon. My name is Alexander Morose and I'm going to be your tutor during this video tutorial. During this video tutorial, you will learn how to save any data or any document as PDF file. So basically, I will teach you how to save uh, anything from your third-party software into the PDF. So if your third-party software is capable of printing documents or printing data, like it can send to printer and print out the data, it means that you can save it as PDF file as well. And it can be Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, web pages, reports, images, photos, even portion of the text of some of the third-party software. And the key of this technique or idea, it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay nobody, and as you know, the company is charging for the PDF converters like 40, 29, 80, $120, and it just can convert some files into the PDF. Well, during this video tutorial you will learn how to convert anything into PDF. If the third-party software that you're working is capable of printing the documents or data, you can save it as well. Instead of printing, you can save it as PDF. You will tell me how? Okay, let me go ahead and teach you. Basically, you need to understand the idea, the technique, the method that is behind the scene. And before I'm going to show you the video how to do so, I would like to explain to you the idea that is going to be behind the scene. So the idea is simple. To convert anything to PDF, you will need it to be printed as PDF, like I told you. So basically, any modern application have print features in 2012 and in 21st century. So basically, if you can edit the data, if you can read the data or save the data, you will have also ability to print the data. And if you have ability to print the data, means that you can save the PDF. So keep this in mind. If you have ability or feature to print, you will be able to save it as PDF. However, you will need application driver that is capable of printing as PDF. As you know, not all printers available can print in PDF file. Actually, 99% on the market right now of printers such as HP, Canon, Xerox, Brothers, cannot, Microsoft, etc., cannot print as PDF, 99%. So basically you will need to have a virtual printer, basically a software or driver that will act as a printer and will be visible as a printer, but it will be virtual printer. So all what it will do, it will take the data, your printable data, and convert it to the PDF standards for the PDF format. And for those who doesn't know what is PDF, PDF is portable document format that that includes images, text, and etc. And it's very neat to have it in 21st century because it's easy to share the PDF, because the PDF became a standard. So you need that virtual printer to be able to print as PDF. And I found a very nice and freeware, completely free virtual printer. It's called CutePDF Writer. It's a software and it's a freeware, excellent software for printing any data into PDF file. Works for 32 or 64-bit Windows operating systems such as Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and I also tested on Windows 8 beta for developers. So I'm assuming it will work as well for Windows 8. Here's the plan, what you need to do to be able to use that technique or idea. First, let's go ahead and Google search for CutePDF Writer and download the software. Also, instead of just googling, you download from the official developer website, which is www.cutepdf.com. I put it for you in a yellow font. Go ahead and visit that, and it's official developers website. You can download the CutePDF Writer software, which is completely freeware and free of the adwares, viruses, trojans, etc. It's very neat and nice. Second, download it, of course, and install it. Third step, test it by printing any web page or Word document if you have Microsoft Office installed as CutePDF Writer Printer. So basically, you need to go and click print in your application and select your printer or your device as CutePDF Writer Printer. It's probably going to be any other default, such as Microsoft Fax or Microsoft Printer or Canon Printer or HP Printer, Xerox Printer, Brothers Printer. You need to scroll it down and find the CutePDF Writer Printer. Select it and make sure it's selected. If it's not visible and you install the CutePDF Writer, go ahead and do the restart and try it again. After you're going to select the CutePDF Writer, click the print button, and after you will click that print button, the save prompt will appear after 25 to 30 seconds. It depends how fast is your computer and how much data you're trying to print as PDF. So it takes some time to analyze the data, and you need to name the PDF file and click save and select the folder, the destination that you would like to save it to. Very simple and easy. After that, you need to click save button and it will be saved. Let me go ahead and explain to you again the idea. So here's your document. It can be Office document, Word document, web page, or image, whatever you want it to be. You need to find the option print in that software that can read the document, and then click on that option print or printing, and then it will give you ability of the printers. You need to go ahead. It's probably going to be your default printers such as HP, Canon, Xerox, Brothers, and ATC printer. You want to scroll it down, and instead of that you need to select CutePDF Writer Printer. That's the printer is our virtual printer that will convert to PDF instead of printing on a physical paper. So it's not printing on a physical paper. All what it will do, it will convert the printable data into the PDF format. You need to select it. If you don't have it under your printers, you need to go ahead and make sure you installed the software completely and go ahead and restart your computer. Then you need to click print, and after 25-30 seconds the save prompt window will appear, and it will tell you please write your file name and extension as PDF and select the destination, and then you can click the save button. After you're going to click the save button, it will go ahead and save the document as the PDF, and finally it will output the PDF file, which is industry standard PDF file without any compressions. So the quality of the PDF file will be pure quality, very nice and clean PDF file, sharp fonts, beautiful images. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty simple, and if you didn't understand some of the parts of this video, go ahead and rewind it back and watch it again. If not, just go ahead and try it again and again. Also, any comments are welcome down below, and I will try to answer to you. By the way, right now, after you understand the idea, let me go ahead and go to the practice mode, and I will show you how to do so in real life. Save a web page, save the image from the web in PDF, save the web page in PDF, and then save the Office document in PDF. Keep in mind, you can use the same method, same idea to save anything into PDF in your third-party software. Okay, it's not limited to those. If your third-party software has the print ability keeps this in mind. You can always save it as PDF, that data, using and print it maybe later on. Okay, thank you so much, and let's go ahead and get to the video, and I will show you in real life practice how to do so. Alright folks, and I just opened my browser, which is internet browser, which is the Google Chrome. It doesn't matter what kind of browser you have, it will work in your browser as well. It just depends where it's going to be your print option. So it's going to be a little bit in different locations somewhere, but go ahead and find it. What you can do, you can right click on it, and it will give you some on white space somewhere, some print abilities. Or just go to option, find the options, and see what you have under your options. And I have the print over here. Click on print, and when you're going to click on print, the option will show up. And in some internet browsers you will see the preview as well. On some it's not necessary that you're going to see the preview. And Google Chrome you can see the preview, so it's neat. You can see what you're printing, how your PDF will look like. By the way, this image was taken by me, so I'm out the author and photographer. It's Colorado, Denver in 2010, and it's a huge high quality image that was taken by me. I'm the author, the photographer for it. And don't miss, by the way, my photography tutorials. So in destination, or on some browsers it's going to say the printer, or in some softwares, third-party softwares, is going to say the printer. Keep in mind that you're using the same technique to print the web pages, documents from third-party softwares, etc. Right? So it's probably going to say the printer, not destination. Maybe destination. You need to click change. You're probably not going to have the CutePDF as default. And it's probably going to say something like Microsoft XPS document writer or something like so. What you need to do, you need to show all and select the CutePDF Writer. Okay, click on it, select this as a printer. So now it's going to be selected. Then you will have to play with some options. Default options depends to your printing features of your third-party software. Layout, you can go landscape. Okay, you can go black and white and color in this particular